Hey guys, it's Jada-Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Madam Glam. So basically this company is a nail company. They sell a whole bunch of nail polishes and base coats, top coats, all of that good stuff. So basically they sent me a whole little package. They sent me 3 nail polishes and top coat and base coat. Also, it comes with a gel lamp. And I'm just about to unbox on camera really quick, and then later on in the video you guys will see me do my nails because these need to get done. Like, I kid y'all not, these are horrendous. So first off, I just want to say I love the packaging. If you guys didn't know, black is my favorite color, so the fact that they have black and gold is just super duper cute. I did peek in a little bit, that's why it's a little broken at the front. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about this company. So cruelty free, which is really good. They're palm oil free and they're HEMA free. So that is a little bit about the company. So basically you're just gonna like pull this little tab here and just literally like rip it off. I kind of did that ghetto, but it's okay. So once you open it like that, you see like this little pink, I guess this is like foam or like some protective foam so the nail polishes don't break or like roll around in the box. And then the first thing you're gonna see is this little card. It's just like a greeting card, and then on the back when you flip it over, it just tells you how to use the nail polishes and how to dry them and take care of them and stuff like that. Yeah, so it says that up to 4 weeks of perfect shine and wear. Yeah, so these are gel polishes, if you guys did not know. These are 5 polishes they sent me. I'll swatch them on my nail for you guys so you guys can see each color and how they look. Of course, later on in the video, you guys will see what style I do with them. First polish that we're gonna try is this gold one. This one is called It's Not You, It's Me. So we're gonna just try this on my nail really quick. Okay, so that is the very first color. It's really pretty. I love it. This one is called Cold Lips, and this one is kind of like a greenish grayish color.
Time in a long time. Used to be broke, but I'm on now. I was just stuck at the bottom, grinding. Now I'm shining, sitting at the top. I was just stuck in my feelings. Now I just running around playing with millions. Now I haven't racks to the ceiling. Stacking no cash, what a wonderful feeling. And
then the very last color that they sent me is the Rule Maker, and this one is beautiful. I think this one is gonna be my favorite one out of all of them, honestly.
And God ain't gonna give you no fire, you can't hum. Back in the truck, we ain't even have cable. Now I see my face on the chunk. And RP version, the all-fighters on me, the Rari is swerving. I went to jail for that Draco. I guess that nobody.
Okay guys, so that is all the colors that they sent me, and then the last 2 polishes are the base coat and the top coat. Very cute. And the last thing I'm just gonna review really quick is the LED lamp. So when you open this little box, it's literally just the LED lamp. This is like a mini LED lamp. I have one that's in pink, and I have a bigger one that's in pink too, but this one is in white, and it says Madam Glam. And then they have the little charger. Before we get into actually styling my nails, I just want to say thank you, Madam Glam, for sponsoring this video. I love everything that you guys sent me, and the polishes are really good. I love everything about these. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these nail polishes from their website, I will leave the link down below for their website, as well as I have a promo code if you guys want any coins off. This takes off 30% off your order. The code is Jada-Nicole30_1. I know it's a lot, so I'll have it on the screen as well as the description box down below and their link. So yeah, when you click the link in my description, it will already add the 30% off to your cart, so you don't have to put in the code technically, but just in case. Yeah, so thank you so much, Mad Glam, for sponsoring this video, and now we can get into the styling and preparation of these nails, y'all, because ew. I think I'm gonna use this gold one, and I'm gonna do like gold French tips on my natural nails. I've been kind of wanting to grow out my nails, and I know most of you guys have been asking for a nail vlog or a nail tutorial, and here it is. So we're just gonna get into this video. I look really dingy right now. Like, I filed off the white off of this side, and then this side still has some white on it. So I'm about to do that really quick, and then I'll probably come back to you guys when my nails are bare. So first I'm going to start off with just buffing my nails, just to get the base of them like smooth, and I'm just going to do this to every single nail. Now I'm just going to use the Madam Glam base coat, and I'm just going to put that on top of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds to a minute. Once I do that, I'm just going to start applying the gold nail polish, and I'm just going to use a little brush to get the French tip, and then I do that about 2 times. I cure it, and then I put the top coat on. And then I just do the exact same thing with my other hand. Okay guys, so I just finished my nails. I redid my toes, but I'm not going to show you guys my toes because, yeah. I finished my nails and I'm just about to show you guys the final product. So I did like a little French tip with my nails, and literally that's it. Fingers, because they are a little dry, but this is what they're looking like. They're super duper cute. But anyways guys, that is it of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any more questions, or you guys can leave them down below in the comments. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.